Koleru. What is Koleru Lake? Where is it located? Give me the exact place. Exact place. Give me the name of the district. Tell me the district. Which place Koleru Lake is there? Eluru, Keluru. Where is it? Now what is Koleru Lake? What is this declared? Is a Ramsar site. What is Ramsar site? What is Ramsar site? Wetland. It's a wetland of international importance. 3 new Ramsar sites. 2 in Tamil Nadu, right? And 1 in Madhya Pradesh. So one is this one, Tawa. Tawa Basin. Tawa Sanctuary is there. I'll tell you, Tawa is a river. That's what comes here. And you see Satpura. Satpura, that is known for tiger. Tiger Reserve, you know, Tiger Reserve. Which state we are talking about? MP, Madhya Pradesh. Koleru. What is Koleru Lake? Where is it located? Give me the exact place. Exact place. Give me the name of the district. Tell me the district. Which place Koleru Lake is there? Eluru, Keluru. Where is it? No, district name. What is the name of district? Godavari. Godavari, which Godavari? East or west? Many people are again confused with East Godavari and West Godavari. Godavari is a river. You know about that? It's a Ganga of south, right? Godavari. East Godavari. Eluru. Now what is Koleru Lake? What is this declared? Is a Ramsar site. What is Ramsar site? What is Ramsar site? Wetland. It's a wetland of international importance. And why Ramsar? Why from where the word Ramsar comes? Iran. Very good. There's a lake in Iran. There's a lake called Ramsar. And 1971, we'll study in the classroom. 1971, there was a conference, meeting of governments to protect wetlands. We'll study in the classroom Ramsar Convention, protection of wetlands. Right, Ramsar and Andhra Pradesh, Godavari, East Godavari. And this lake gets water from 2 major rivers, Krishna and Godavari. Thammileru, Rammileru, this water channel, which drain into this lake. It's a beautiful lake. Right? I don't know how many people visited. Have you visited this lake? No. It's a beautiful lake. And during winter time, migratory birds come there. Right? Now I'll ask a current affairs. 14th August, day before yesterday, central government of India declared new Ramsar sites. Yes. Now, how many Ramsar sites we have now? We have got 85 Ramsar sites. Very good. So that's really, this subject is very important in this context. 85 are there. Right? We will study through map. I'll do the mapping exercise. National Park, Sanctuary, Biosphere Reserve, Ramsar site, right? Because every year in UPSC exam and all exams, you have map-based question, right? 85. And what was in news? 3 new Ramsar sites. 2 in Tamil Nadu, right? And 1 in Madhya Pradesh. So one is this one, Tawa. Tawa Basin. Tawa Sanctuary is there. I'll tell you, Tawa is a river. MP, Madhya Pradesh. Tawa is a river. And sometimes river, you have flood plain, where the river water get flooded, sidewise bank of the river. And what happened? What is a wetland? Marshy land, marsh, swamp. So what happened? With time, this marshy land becomes habitat of birds. Birds start coming there. And slowly it becomes rich in biodiversity. So now this bird sanctuary, what is there? Bird sanctuary. Declared as a Ramsar site. Now this is coming in the news. And 2 in Tamil Nadu, Kaju Valley. One is this one. And Kaju Valley is a place also. It's a place in Tamil Nadu. Right, Kaju Valley. And one more is there. Ranjana. So this Ranjanaran, you know. There's another one is there. Ranjanaran. So this is another part given. Now look at here. When you are studying this one, what should be your approach? I'll come to what should be your approach? PIB. Where you see coaching institute will give you material. Magazine is there. Amigos magazine is all there. Current affair magazines are coming. They will be there. But what should be your first task? Government of India. Where you'll go? Government of India. So that is a PIB. See here. I'll just simply do the Google search. I'll write here this one. Let's say 3 new Ramsar sites. See, now you should develop this habit of Google search. Right, is coming. Kaju Valley, Tamil Nadu, Taba, Nanjarayan. There's a Nanjarayan. The spelling is Nanjarayan. Nanjarayan Bird Sanctuary. Nanjarayan Bird Sanctuary in Kaju Valley, Tamil Nadu. Taba, Madhya Pradesh. But now you see here PIB. See, every newspaper will cover. Today's newspaper will have those articles. The Hindu paper, the Hindu, Indian Express will have this. So now look at here. This is the PIB release. Press Information Bureau. Right? Government of India. It comes out with the release. So now if you look at here, see what is mentioned here. So now if you see here, Bhupender Yadav, you know, he's an environment minister. Now what is mentioned here? Eve of Independence Day. Now this is the site. 85. Added 59 new wetland and now given there. Now is given here. Photographs. These are duck, you know, ducks, duck, geese, birds, water birds. Then you can see this is a marshy land, marsh, right? Marshy land is there. And then you can see here, what is mentioned here? Here, it gives you the background. We'll come to that. Now look at here. Now total, if you look at total, it has given the total name of Ramsar site also. 85 Ramsar sites. 10% of total geographical area of India, 10% of total geographical area of the country are now Ramsar sites, wetlands. 10% total area. Now comes in Ramsar sites. Now this is given here. Now see, Nanjarayan Bird Sanctuary. Key points. You have to take what? Key points. What is first thing when you read such kind of news? Geography. Location. Right? Location, where it is located. So if you look at very clearly, what is given? What is the name of the place? Tirupur. You know Tirupur? Coimbatore, Tirupur. And what is Tirupur famous for? Garments. Textile garments. I don't know how many people know Tirupur. It's a place in Tamil Nadu near to Coimbatore. Coimbatore, you know Coimbatore? That name you know. And is known for textile and garment. Factories are there. Right? And there you have this bird sanctuary. So what is very important here? District. Given Tirupur district, location. You have to know what? Location. Where it is located in Tamil Nadu. Now you see here. Now second thing will be what? Whether it is a natural or man-made. Sometimes wetland can be man-made. Right? But slowly to become natural. Like, you know, agriculture land. Paddy cultivation. Right? Sometimes maybe, you know, reservoir, tank and all this. That comes here. So if you look at here, this is given. Sarkar Periyapalayam village in Tirupur district. And now see here. Is a reservoir. What is the name here? King. Raja. Maharaja. Right? King Nanjarayan. King Nanjarayan who was ruling that area. Built those tanks. Even today, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh has got such tanks built by rulers. Hussain Sagar, what is the Hussain Sagar? It's a man-made. Hussain Sagar is not natural. It was constructed. Lake there. So even Hussain Sagar is also wetland. Right? It's been there. It's the same thing here. Then you can see here birds, species. Then you have to know species. Which are species there? Important birds visiting the site. Did you understand? Location, geography. What type of wetland? Whether it's linked with river, man-made wetland, marshy land, swampy areas. Third, what type of biodiversity? Correct? Now see here, next one. What type of biodiversity you have? Bar-headed goose is a migratory bird. Is what? Bar-headed goose is what? Migratory bird. Then you can see here, what is mentioned? Northern shoveler, duck. It's a variety of ducks. Shoveler. Northern shoveler. You can see the photograph here. Brown color, brownish color. Then you can see here, spot-billed pelican, very important name, pelican. You have seen in Chidiyaghar, zoo. They have long beak. They will take the fish and their neck with a long beak there. Pelican, right? And then what do you find here? Heronry, Heronry. These are birds. So you have to remember what? Names of important birds. Are you getting there? So don't worry, we will be covering all this part, but I'm just trying to give you idea how to read such kind of information. Not everything is important, but main thing you have to know. And why it is called Nanjarayan? Because of the ruler of that time who built the tank reservoir, right? Now see here, which is another place? Kazuveli. What is the name of district? Villupuram. What is the name of district? Villupuram. Right? Can you see Coromandel coast? Now, I will not say anything. Tell me what is Coromandel coast? You have read in geography. Have you done geography of India? Where is the Coromandel coast? Which side? There are two. See, if you talk about Indian geography of India, I'll just add here. This is what you have learned, no? See, map becomes very, very important. We are going to discuss a lot of things through mapping part, particularly biodiversity part. This is a Kutch, Gujarat, Khambat, Cambay, right? Now this is the western coast. We have a narrow western coast. See, narrow, I'm trying narrow. But we have a broader ghat. Always remember that. First will be coastal plain. What is called? Coastal plains. Then comes ghat. What is ghat? Hilly areas. This is a narrow coastal plains. But on eastern side, Bay of Bengal, this is Arabian Sea. Bay of Bengal side is a broader coastal plain. This is a coastal plain on the eastern side. East coastal plain is a broader. That's why river slow down and deposit sediment forming deltas. But what happens here? The river which comes to the Arabian Sea side, since this plain is narrow, so speed is not reduced that much. It's not able to deposit sediment and form estuary. Rivers on the Arabian Sea side form western side estuary. Why the river formed a delta this side? Because of the slope and the broader plain. Now which is Coromandel? Eastern side, Bay of Bengal. Again the two parts are there. Northern Sarkar and Coromandel. Where is Northern Sarkar? Odisha and Andhra. Odisha and Andhra. This is what called Northern Sarkar. This name given. Sometime written CIR. Sometime will be SIR. Sometime book will be CIR, CAR. Or sometime the book will be SIR, CAR. And what is this coast called? Tamil Nadu coast? Coromandel. Now what is this called as? Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Konkan. And this Kerala and this, you know that. Malabar coast. See, why you need to know this geography? Because when I'll come to the topics of biodiversity, right, you will be able to connect with it. And these all are places known for biodiversity, plants and animals. So you have to be aware through map also there. So now see, which Ramsar site? Kajuveli. Which coast? Coromandel coast. So it is, what does that mean? It is not inside. It is on the coast. Understand that? Why I have drawn the diagram? This Ramsar site, new Ramsar site, is on the coastal side, sea and ocean. Are you able to understand? Coast के पास में है, समुद्र के पास में, अंदर नहीं है. तिरुपुर का अंदर है, inside. It is on the coastal side. That's what you see here. Now see this one. Coromandel coast, name of district, north of Pondicherry. You know Pondicherry, right? That's part of Then what is given? Connected to Bay of Bengal. Can you see here? Brackish Uppukali Creek. See all geography what is coming? Creek. What is creek? What do you mean by creek? Creek, Gulf, Bay, creek. What is creek? Is a narrow inlet of sea water. Creek is this one. See, suppose this is the creek. This is the land. And you have a water, sea water. Getting inside the area. I'll give you two examples. One is the Thane Creek. Thane. Where is Thane? Maharashtra, Mumbai. Mumbai after Mumbai, Thane. Thane Creek. Right? Hindi में खाड़ी बोलते खाड़ी. There's a word called Hindi word खाड़ी. Even Maharashtra, Marathi word खाड़ी. Now when the same thing become broad, when this become broad, becomes Gulf. What is Gulf? Gulf is the broader creek. When you say Gulf, na? Gulf, when you say Gulf is a broader creek. When creek become broad, bigger, that is called Gulf. Like we saw, Gulf of Kutch, Gulf of Khambat, Gulf of Mannar. Creek is the narrow, Gulf is the broader one. So now see, all this geographical word is coming. Then only you will understand current affairs. Otherwise, you will not be able to understand. Coromandel Coast. What is given there? Creek. And one more creek, you know, Sir Creek. Where is Sir Creek? Here. Gujarat side. Pakistan and India. Sir Creek. Right? So the creeks are narrow kind of thing there. Are you able to understand? So now when you read current affairs, so now you can connect there, this one. Estuary, creek. Right? And then birds given here. So now see here, Central Asian Flyway. What do you mean by Central Asian Flyway? Flyway. Just like highway. Right? Highway. You know highway? Where we go by from one place to another. So what is flyway? Where the migratory birds go from one place to another. And where is Central Asia? Central Asia. Which are countries? Kazakhstan, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan. These are Central Asia. So birds are coming from Central Asia to this area. Imagine, they are coming from here, above, Hindu Kush. You know, Hindu Kush and Himalaya region. They are flying down here. Such a long distance. Miles, you know, thousands of miles they fly to reach this wetland. Correct? This is what comes here. So that's what you have this tropical dry evergreen forest. And then you see birds. Coot. Duck species. Pentas stork. Flamingos, you know, flamingos. Pink flamingos. Many part of the country we have flamingos. Even Chilika, you know, Chilika Lagoon. Where is Chilika Lagoon? Odisha. We have flamingos. Black-headed ibis. Right? Now, what comes here? Taba. Where is Taba? MP. And I told you it's a river. River Taba. Can you see here? Mahadev Hills. Again, geography. You all have the atlas. Indian world, Oxford Atlas. When you see there will be Mahadev Hills. And what is called Chhindwara. Chhindwara is a district. And I'll discuss one very important place we will cover in the classroom. There is a biosphere reserve called Panchmadi. Right? Panchmadi. Biosphere reserve of MP. Chhindwara is there only. See, that's what when you cover subject, geography, environment, disaster management, you are able to connect everything together. That's what comes here. And you see Satpura. Satpura, that is known for tiger. Tiger reserve, you know, tiger reserve. Which state we are talking about? MP, Madhya Pradesh. Satpura National Park. Can you see Bori? And UPSC can ask question. Not only UPSC exam, even you give group 1, group 2 exam, even state service exam, you can get question. direct question, GK, general knowledge. Are you able to understand? That's what I've taken there. Ki when you open newspaper, current news, lot of environmental aspect comes. Right? This is just example. 3 new Ramsar sites. But again remember that 2nd February next year, right? 2nd February, worldwide celebrate which day? World Wetlands Day. So 85 number is going to increase. Maybe this time Telangana state may have. Right? Telangana has not no Ramsar site. Andhra has got only one Koleru. Who knows? 2nd February next year, Telangana may have Ramsar site. So remember that government of India is going to take it to 100. All of you, your hard work, remembering 100 names will be difficult. Again, don't worry. 85 Ramsar sites, I'll tell you how to do it. You don't have to worry. Right? Chinta nahi karna hai. I am there, na? Chintata, right? So don't worry that. So I will take care of your chinta, right? So no, don't have to worry. 85, how to do with 85 names, right? And not only Ramsar site, Tiger Reserve, Elephant Reserve, all we are going to cover in the classroom. Okay? So don't worry about that. I am giving you approach, how you have to learn. And again, this will be in magazine, current affair magazine. All will be covered.